Hi guys, so today we're going to be recording at North Melbourne flyover for regional trains. This is currently an Extrapolis train going into the depot. These two trains are also refurbished combing trains. This one is a Siemens Nexus. And this one departing here, it is also an Ulster combing. And on platform 2 is service to Upfield, and this one is a service to Flinders Street. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, I can still kind of see it says Flinders Street in the front. I see a velocity over there that you will get to see later. I'm just going to be using my voice for that because there's too many trains at the same time. Oh, there's another combing. I didn't even notice it. Here's the velocity. I'm pretty sure that says Wendouree. Yeah, that says Wendouree. It's pretty cool to see a train go on the flyover. It's right in front of me here. But for now, I don't think we're going to see one for quite a while. Here's another Alston combing. Oh, I see a loco service coming. Probably, locos don't actually tell where they're going, but I'm assuming that it's probably Warrnambool. Yeah, it's probably the Warrnambool service. Usually. Yeah, it's the Warrnambool service. Okay, this combing not as exciting compared to this train going over the flyover. I thought I was going to see a velocity, not a loco, but yeah, it doesn't really matter. Still a train going over the flyover. Oh, there's a sprinter. It came from Seymour and it comes every hour, so that's pretty lucky that we get to see it. I totally missed it. I don't know where. Oh yeah, because I can't see platform 1 from here. Oh, we're running across the bridge. You probably can't see it, but it's an E-class tram. I'm sure you know it, you probably can't see it. I'm pretty sure there's a train coming out of the city loop. Because I heard it. That is not a train coming out from the city loop, but still a train. I don't know how I didn't notice it. Probably can't see it. That is also an Alston combing. Here's another Alston combing. I can see it says Wetherby. And I'll appear at this side soon. Here is an EDI combing going to Flinders Street. There's another EDI combing here. There's a Velocity going over the flyover. It's going to Southern Cross. Here's a Siemens Nexus. I think it's going to the depot because it says Metro. You can't see this, I'm not going to record it. And guess what, there's another Velocity coming over the flyover. Thanks for watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. this is actually the wrong direction.